Welcome to our YouTube channel. So today I am going to explain you how to work with a temporary table. So in many cases, so this will be very helpful to you. So here what I am going to explain how to deal with the temporary table before moving to the linked table, your data. In this case, I want to explain you how to deal with the temporary table. So after you verifying your data through the temporary table, then once you verify, you can move your data into a linked table. So if you like, later on you can empty temporary table using Visual Basic Code. So that is what I am going to explain you. So I think this will be I think this is very much useful if you are developing POS or some sort of invoice system like that. In that case, you can use your grid data to a temporary table. Once you verify the grid data, then you can move data to a linked table. So here you have to deal with the two tables. So here, before we move to the video, do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this. Okay, now let's see how we do this. So for the explanation purpose, I have created a sample table. So sample database. So my database contains two tables. One is temporary table and other one is main table. And I use I use a Microsoft form to feed data to these tables. So my database contains one form. It is named as FRM main, and I have a temporary table, and I have named the temporary table as TBL TMP, and I have a link table. So that is the original, that is the table where I used to store verified data. So its name is TBL main. So that's all. Now I am going to open my form. So my form is like this. So these are the basic details I used to enter in this case. So here I have linked this part, cache in and change text boxes to a temporary table. So these text boxes have not been linked with the linked table. Okay, now I'm going to design view. So in this case, you can see all of these text boxes are linked with the TBL main or linked table, but these two text boxes not linked with the TBL main or main table. So there is unbound text box, but these two text boxes are linked with the temporary table. So I am going to open the temporary table. So my temporary table contains cache in and change two columns. So these two columns are linked with this. So these two columns are updated through these unbound text boxes. So these unbound text boxes are bound with the Visual Basic Code. So if I open the TBL main, then you can see, or a link table, these are the columns of my link table. So here I have also included cache in and change columns. So once you verified your cache in and change details from temporary table, then you can move this data to link table columns. So that is what I am going to explain you. So you can use this method to verify data before moving to a link table. So that is what I am going to explain you. So I think you can understand what I am explaining here. Then let's see how can we do this. So first of all, you have to create a table like this. So this is my link table. So it contains these columns. So at the end of these columns, or these final columns is linked with the temporary table. That's all. So this is the structure of my link table, and this is the temporary table, and these two columns are related with the unbound text boxes. So first of all, you have to design a form like this, and you have to design a temporary table, link table, as I explained this video. So again, you need to add two command buttons. So one command button's name is btn save, and the other one is btn update link table. So these are the two command buttons you need to add your form. So this one, move, I have named this command button as move. So I use this command button to send unbound text box data to temporary table. So once I move this data to a temporary table, finally after I verified this data, then I can I use update text update command button to send temporary table data to link table. So once I click the update data, what happens? Temporary the data contains in the temporary table deleted. So if you want to test this one, you need to create this kind of setup: form, temporary table, and a main table. Like now, I'll show you how to do this. So you have to use small VBA coding part for this button. It means move button. So I'm going to right click and build event. So this is the VBA code for move data to temporary table. So here I have dim these variables, and this is the name of my temporary table, tbl temp, and these are the links to unbound text boxes. Okay, table columns feeds through these unbound text boxes. So that is what I am. This is what this part do. Okay, and after that, rc.update means table updates to the unbound text box values, and this is to clear the data. And this part, what happens? So this part used to move data to unbound text box to temporary table. So this is what happens. So here I use, once you verify the data in the temporary table, then finally you need to move this temporary table data to what we call link table. So this part used to move data to what we call link table. So once you move this data to link table, your temporary table data automatically deleted. Then here I have dim these variables, and this is the name of my temporary table, and this is the name of my tbl main is the name of my link table, and this is the method SQL statement to move data to temporary table to link table. Okay, then once you move data to temporary table to link table, what happens? This command used to delete the temporary table details. So that is the VBA coding part of this project. Now I'm going to test my code. So here, now I zero the form. Now I'm going to add a date. So my date is just 18th. Description is something like this. So my receipt got amount is just say 50,000, and the discount is 10,000, and what we call the net amount is just say 40,000. So the customer paid just say 50,000, and change is then 10,000. Okay, cash change is 10,000. So I want to send this value 50,000 and 10,000 under the cash in and change unbound text box. I want to move to temporary table. So therefore I click move. So once I click move, what happens? This data move to temporary table. You see, my cash in and change columns are updated from the respective values of the unbound text boxes. So once I verified these details, I want to move. So once I verify the details, I want to move these details to link table. So I want to send this verified 50,000 and 10,000 to link table. So to do this, I just need to click on the update. So once I click the update, what happens? You can see my verified details move to link table, cache in and change column respectively. So let's go and see the TBL or the temporary table. So once I refresh, you can see my temporary table details deleted. So this way, by using this way, you can deal with the temporary table. So you can keep your data in a temporary table. Finally, once you verified those details or data, then you can move to link table. So that is the basic explanation of dealing with temporary table in the Microsoft Access database. So I think you can develop this method according to your knowledge. And here, this is the basic code part. So you need to add some sort of error handling and validation methods for this kind of things. So that is it for today. So I think if you need any explanation or if you want to any additional information, please put a comment under the video comment section so I can help you. So let's meet with another video. Do not forget to subscribe my Rover YouTube channel for more videos like this. Then okay, thanks for watching. Goodbye.